What's up, guys? This is Rich. I'm hijacking Jill's channel today as she has been decluttering the house. She forces everything into my portion of the house or property or whatever it is. So this is kind of my spot, piling all the junk up that Jill forces me to take out of the house and have to deal with on my end. So this half is her parents' half. This half is our half. We split the property. We share the workshop. So yeah, here we go.
Hold on, Briella, we need to show the camera what you just found. So,
I just found this.
this baby lost its head. Hold on, it's not focusing good.
A lounging mama.
Get
What is she doing?
From me
What do you think the
now.
lounging mama's doing, Cade? I wonder if we poke and prod the lounging mama, what will happen? All right, as you can see, there is a ton of stuff here. And there is really no room for any of it. We got these two racks that are pretty full. But I gotta
Show
figure.
that that's your mom's area too, like.
Oh yeah, that's kind of my mom's area where her washer and dryer is. We share this part here, and this is her parents' side. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this stuff. No room on the shelves.
You know what my subscribers are thinking, right?
What are they thinking, babe?
That you need to get rid of a bunch of it.
I think we should put all the stuff you made me take out of the house back in the house.
No.
Why?
Because this stuff doesn't belong in a house. Build a garage.
We have a garage.
Garages are meant for storage, storing things that don't belong in a house.
Do you guys think it looks cool that Jill's wearing sunglasses inside? I think you look cool, babe. Okay, I need to roll your back out.
Why?
Because we're getting off like so. Alright, this is what our snorkeling gear goes in. Backpacking gear, hiking gear, and truck camping up there. We were using it all and I was too lazy to put it all away. I don't know if any of you guys hike or use camelbacks or any kind of water bags to hike, but the way we store them, because they can get mildewy and stuff, the way we store them is we dry them out real good and then we put a paper towel in there. It keeps separation in the bag so mildew doesn't build up and stuff.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
Really? You can fold these?
Yeah.
You think you can fold these huge, enormous things?
Yeah.
have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too.
I don't even know what this is, but I found it on one of the shelves. Jill probably came and packed it in here. Oh, it's Rich's probably.
Just come on, Sarah, let's see what this is. Is it a tent?
I don't know what it is.
You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the...
Oh, it's a golf cart cover. It's a golf cart cover. It's Mama's. See, I told you guys, she just crammed stuff in here. So it's not her problem, it's my problem. What should you do if the kids throw it away?
Yeah. No!
That was rude.
Mommy uses it when it's like winter.
If not says who, yeah, you can make it too.
So here we have our sledding and boogie boards and snowboards and fishing poles and all kinds of stuff. I probably really should build like racks up top to hold half of this stuff, but I don't have time for all that right now because most of my time goes towards taking care of Jill's goats.
Taking care of what?
Mama's goats.
Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
Dude, I gotta figure out how to get those paddle boards up there. Paddle boards, paddle boards. Probably get rid of some of those sleds, huh? What would Jill do? She would say throw it all away. She's a crazy animal. What sleds are we keeping?
Ooh, that one's steers.
That.
Keep the boogie boards.
Boogie boards 2.0. Since we've got so many kids, we can't throw them all away.
I know. We need more boogie boards.
I know. I agree.
We always have to take turns to ride on them.
Snowboards are a little messed up because we took them to the desert and held on to the quad and pulled ourselves in sand with them. You see, that's why you gotta hoard this kind of stuff so like the one time you use it, you have a lot of fun with it. I know all you declutters are secretly hoarders. That's how you became declutters, so you guys can relate.
Sled.
Yeah, it's a sled.
We could use that as a boogie board, right?
See, this is perfect for Aubrey, huh?
That's a perfect.
Gotta keep that too. This
That's a good sled.
it's broken. See that? It's probably the best sled there. That's perfect for Aubrey too. Dude, I can't get rid of anything. Huh?
We need more boogie boards.
Let's say we. What do you guys think? We should take it to the house.
And what?
Take it to the house and store it all in Mama's bedroom.
Yeah!
Why?
Because she'll get really mad. And then she'll tell us Daddy. Hey, Daddy, why haven't we said that yet?
We don't have our grass yet. She won't get mad. We'll surprise her. It'll be a surprise. Everybody likes surprises, right? So you like surprises?
She'll love it. Yeah, but Mama doesn't like those surprises.
What surprises does Mama like?
Surprises. I'm trying to make her mad.
We are practicing tactical hoarding. We have all this junk. Not junk. We have all this stuff that we got to try to find a home for. We don't want to get rid of it because we're going to need it one day. I got some scuba diving regulators that a friend from church gave to me. Or tanks, regulators down here. Will we ever use that stuff? I don't know. I hope to. Maybe in like 5 years or something like that. But in 5 years, I hope to not have to spend a couple $1,000 on buying the stuff. So I'm going to hang on to it for as long as I need to. But we're going to tactical hoard it, find a home for it so everything looks cool. All right. So now we got to put all this stuff back. The goal is we have to get our paddle boards in this spot too. They're big if we can get them in there, and our spearfishing poles and all the boogie boards and sleds back in that spot and have it look decent, we'll be sitting good. Voila! Tactical hoarding. Mama's sewing stuff is in here. Mama's putting her stuff in here, huh? Why don't you go put this on the quad? We will bring it back to Mama. We will kindly bring her stuff back because we love her. We don't want her to lose her stuff, right?
No.
We're tactical hoarding our stuff and decluttering her stuff. Decluttering her stuff out of our space, right? Whose space?
Our space.
Whose space?
Our space.
Whose space?
Our space.
This is a pump to clean our water heater. We don't use it that often, so we can stick that up high where we don't need it.
Daddy,
This noodle, Kate uses when we go.
I use the yellow one. That's our old one from the pool.
Is it?
Daddy,
Well, Kate uses the noodle when we go snorkeling, so I don't have to worry about him too much. Kate, it's over there.
Daddy, is this our old
How many noodles we
fridge?
got? How many noodles do we need? Let's keep them all. We'll tactically hoard them.
Right.
Mama's gonna watch this video and be like, I don't know what she's gonna be like.
She's gonna
She's
go.
gonna whoop my butt.
No, she's gonna say, wow, Daddy's such a sport.
She's gonna say Daddy's such a hoarder. She's gonna say
You're teaching the kids to be a hoarder just like you.
No.
Mama's more likable than I am.
She is?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. She just has a likable personality. She sounds fun when she talks. She's prettier than me.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no.
What is this? This is a waterproof cover that I have no use for right now.
I think it's for the water softener.
But we can't get rid of it, can we?
We can't get rid of it.
Nope.
Before sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
That's dirt bike stuff that we'll be using soon to do maintenance on the bikes.
I'm spinning up.
Gotta get up in those bins on top of that thing again. Bummer.
We're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Snowboarding gear. What the heck do I do with snowboarding gear? Just found this. This is Jill's too. Kate, put this on the quad. We're gonna give it back to Mama. I feel like I was just dancing with you guys. All right, making lots of progress. I don't know if you guys knew what it looked like before. I'm getting tired of filming. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna film for. But you can kind of see how much better it's looking. You can actually kind of see all the way down the side now. But we do have, out of everything so far, this is all we're getting rid of, except for the thing with the hose and that. That's a pump for our pool, but that's all we're getting rid of, guys, out of all that stuff. I do have stuff on the pool table here that I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with. And let me show you up here.
Daddy, can I ride the hoverboard? Daddy, can I ride the hoverboard?
Not right now.
What?
Not right now. This is our loft.
Can I go?
This is a pretty cool space.
Daddy, can I
Yeah.
go?
We got a bed up here. There's even a sink. I used to come up here and work sometimes, but the reception's really bad in here because it's a metal building.
Daddy, remember the music thing?
But poker table. I used to have a little music station. I was into music when I was younger, and I've kept a lot of my gear, so
I like this thing.
set this up as a music station at one time. Tried to get the kids into it. They weren't really feeling it, but as you can see, this place needs to be fixed up too.
Grandpa made up a
Maybe
song.
I can take you guys up here and
When's Grandpa made
with me when I do this if you want. There's a bunch of our backpacking backpacks. I'm gonna take some of that stuff from down below and stick it up here. Again, this is a cool space.
And once,
We hardly ever use it. You see this back here? This is like a planer that Jill's never used, but we've had for years, and she's hoarding it. Where's she hoarding it? Not inside the house. She's hoarding it in a space that she doesn't care about.
You have to push this thing down.
Shh, don't tell her I told you. She's gonna edit this, by the way. Stop. Don't spin that fast, okay? Make me nervous.
I broke my arm on it.
Into my life and ask me to love again. Now it's too late.
Trash.
Category 5, but is it too fast for a broken heart? Maybe it's not worth stealing. The same old dirt road, dropping the kids off to school.
All right, guys, that's pretty much it. I have some stuff on the pool table to put away up in the loft. I'm not gonna organize the loft today. If you guys want, though, I can take you up there when I do that. Got some stuff I gotta throw in the trash. I've got some stuff I gotta take back to Jill because it is her stuff. Maybe I should videotape that and you guys can see how that interaction goes. That might be fun. And I got some stuff I gotta take down to the shed by the house. Kind of reorganize that too. I don't know if I'm gonna get to that today, but we'll see. But as you can see, it definitely, watch out, move the umbrella.
What's gonna be fun?
The floor is clear now. I do have to bring the bikes back in and park them in here. Maybe I'll show you guys that afterwards. But for the most part, it is much better. Tactical hoarding. Everything has a place. It looks crowded. It definitely does, but everything does have a home.
Looks way better.
We're able to get to everything as we need it. Everything's kind of organized in seasons too. When we backpack, when we snorkel in those blue bins.
Look what I got.
Same with here. You know, we got our water sports stuff in front that we're still using, and then snow stuff kind of in the back. So yeah, got a freezer we never use. Work out every once in a while, and so everything's kind of organized.
Daddy, is
I'm gonna try to keep the riding mower out of here to leave this space open because the space was very cluttered with the riding mower there. We weren't able to get to anything. I gotta bring the air compressor back in here that Jill was using for her projects and stuff. So anyways,
Like a category 5, but is it too fast for a broken heart? Maybe it's still worth stealing.
I'm actually gonna get rid of those two things. They're just money pits. They don't even really run anymore. All they do is cost more money. That I'm gonna put down in the shed. This is all the stuff I am taking down to the shed as well. Let's see what she says when I tell her the boys are keeping their tools in their room. Hi, Fluffy. Babe, the boys are gonna keep their tools in their room. Okay?
Why? We just took them out of there.
There's no room in the workshop, and they can keep this under their bed. Nice and neat. They're gonna tactically store it under their bed.
It's never nice and babe, I am not putting myself on YouTube like this, just so you know.
Like what?
Turn it off. But
You're lounging with your cool pink socks.
babe,
What the heck are those?
get away from
What
me.
the heck are those?
Get away.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Here, Kate,
Babe,
go
listen.
tactically put that under your bed.
Babe,
Yeah.
his tools end up all over his bedroom.
Okay, so he needs to be taught to keep them clean and organized. Not just do away with them in the workshop. Well, they'll never get used.
The reason they're in there is because if he's ever gonna need tools, they will be needed in the workshop.
No, you care. You keep
Stop.
tools at home, don't you? Don't you have a stash?
Stop.
Let's get a closer look. What we've got
Yeah.
here. What we've got here is a lounging mama.
Get
What is she
away
doing?
from me
What do you think the
now.
lounging mama's doing, Cade? I wonder if we poke and prod the lounging mama, what will happen? Oh, lounging, oh, careful, she's getting up. Oh, she's got a weapon, guys. She's got a weapon.
Away from me.
Oh. Love you. If you haven't noticed, I love to harass Jill. If you guys want to see more videos of Jill being harassed and teased and stuff like that, let me know. I'd love to maybe post some videos of scaring her. Love scaring her, playing pranks on her, all that kind of stuff. Let me talk about hoarding, guys. This camping stove here, this is what my parents used when I used to go camping with them when I was little. I still have it. It still works. Just more proof that tactical hoarding done right pays off. Haven't had to buy a new one in 30 years. I'm gonna put these shoes in truck camping in case I'm gonna take them with us. If I ever find something cool to climb when we're truck camping, I'll attempt to climb something again. Never done an outro before, but thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up. You're not helping me, you're helping Jill.
Hit the notification
Don't know if she'd want me to say that. Hit the notification bell. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.
She said subscribe.